How can you convert a video to just voice memos? Yeah, let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, the goal is to turn a regular video with the audio to just audio. And you can do this, you can utilize the built-in methods, but the best way is to use the Siri shortcuts application, right? So if you're not familiar with it, it's like a shortcut which lets you run a script and perform some actions. And there is one a shortcut or one that you can set up which literally just turns your videos into audios, right? So this is what it looks like. I can share it below in the comments so you don't have to like manually, I mean in the description of course, so you don't have to manually just set it up in here. But the point is that if I run this shortcut, it's gonna ask me to pick a video from the gallery. I can pick whatever, and then it's gonna perform it, like it's gonna transfer or choose the audio from that clip. The video of course doesn't get deleted or anything, but the audio gets saved into the files app, right? So you can see that if I go to the files, the audio from that video will be saved right there. So it works. This is exactly the purpose behind it. And yeah, that's basically how it works. You can see that it gets the job done. I literally get to find it in the files app, and it is just the audio from the video which I captured. So that is how it works. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Most definitely subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and similar videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.